In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add Google Drive files to Notion. Simple and beginner-friendly. Before we start, here's an important note. Notion doesn't natively sync with Google Drive on its own. To automate this, you'll need a third-party tool. We'll use Zapier because it's the easiest option for beginners and it works reliably. First, prepare your Notion workspace. Open Notion and create a new page. Then add a table database to that page. We'll set up 3 columns you'll use later in Zapier. Make the first column File Name and set it as the title property, because every Notion database needs a title field. Add a second column called File Link and set its property type to URL so links are clickable. Finally, add a third column called Date Added and set it to Date. Keeping these names clear and the property types correct will make mapping much smoother. Next, head to Zapier and click Create Zap. If you're new to Zapier, think of a zap as a simple automation with a trigger and an action. The free plan is fine for basic setups like this. For the trigger, choose Google Drive as the app and select New File in Folder. Connect your Google Drive account, then pick the specific folder you want Zapier to watch. This tells Zapier to run whenever a new file lands in that folder. If you're unsure which folder to use, create one just for files you want sent to Notion. Zapier will prompt you to test the trigger and pull in a recent sample file. Do that so you can preview the fields available, like file name, link, and created time. Now set the action. Choose Notion as the app and create database item as the action. Connect your Notion account and grant Zapier access to the page or database you created earlier. Select your table database from the list. Then map the fields. Map the Google Drive file name to the file name title field in Notion. For file link, choose the file's shareable link field from Google Drive so you can click through from Notion. For date added, map the file's created time, or pick a timestamp that makes sense for your workflow. Double-check that each Notion property type matches the data you're sending. Run a test. Zapier will create a sample row in your Notion database. If everything looks good, turn the Zap on. From now on, every new file added to that Google Drive folder will appear in your Notion table automatically. On free plans, it may take a couple of minutes, so don't worry if it's not instant. And that's how you automatically add Google Drive files to Notion using Zapier. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Notion tutorials.